pang ano.
Okay na.
Okay. Okay, babrush muna ang butter. Okay, then the meat, chicken meat mixture.
Eat fruit. Eat fruit or
Okay.
get garbage bags.
Small lang, dahil maliit ang aming steamer. Small for Robel.
Huh?
Small lang. Wait. Small embutido. Chicken and dito embutido. Then the cheese ham. And cheese. Then the egg. Ano yung mag-roll? Then, i-roll natin.
More meat pa yung tingin mo. More meat pa.
More meat.
Para marol na lang.
Din eh.
Ay, ito. Hi, Rovel. Yan. Hi. What is Wawa doing?
Making embutido.
Daddy's favorite.
You want this?
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Then, i-roll. Yan, okay. Let us, i-roll na pa parang yan. This one. Robel, look, Wawa. Isisiksik para siya ay buo.
Ang taba.
Mataba. Slowly. One embutido for Robel. Big, small but fat. Matake. Okay, 1 point.
Bye.
Bye.